Hi, I'm Jojo Ritter, husband, dad, ex-adventure junkie, and now the proud owner of a nervous system that apparently hates me. In 2021, I was diagnosed with CRPS, chronic regional pain syndrome. Don't worry if you've never heard of this before. Neither have I before my diagnosis. It is like my body has declared war on itself, as if it has decided that pain was a full-time job, with overtime and no lunch breaks. But instead of letting CRPS have the last word, I decided to write, and write, and write, and overthink, and rewrite. Hope Undivided was the result. A memoir about pain, perseverance, parenthood, and the questionable sanity that got me through it. It's not just my story. It's a story for everyone and anyone that faces something invisible, chronic, or just needs hope. I want to publish this book, not to become famous, although I won't say no to Oprah. But I want to publish this book because hope matters. So this is where you come in. Please donate, share, or even just send chocolate. Actually, now that I think about it, send chocolate anyway. Thanks for listening to my story. Thanks for supporting my cause. Please share and get the word out so that Hope Undivided, a memoir of an ordinary man living with an extraordinary disease, may come to life to touch the hearts of many. Thank you.